Hi, I'm Amber from Juvly, Master Provider, here with Jill, our lovely model. We are excited to give y'all a sneak peek of our latest, newest, NEWTOX is what we're referring to, that we are offering now at Juvly called Jeuveau. Fun fact about Jeuveau is that it has been found to last longer and also act faster than Botox. So typically people will start to see results as early as 3 to 5 days, and it should last you closer to 4 months, whereas with Botox most people get about 3 months use out of it. Today we are going to be treating the glabella, which consists of 2 corrugator muscles and a procerus muscle that causes those little lines that we call the 11s. And then we're also going to treat her forehead lines, and then we'll also be doing crow's feet today.
Dysport is a little bit more my favorite than Botox. Dysport does it a little bit faster. It does react a little faster. Botox takes a little bit longer. However, both of them seem to kind of wear off on me at least around 6 to 8 weeks. I can see complete, like, you know, total movement, the crow's feet, and especially here. Here's where my muscles are really strong. So I can't really say either one of them are terrible or over the other. It's just with me personally, they haven't been able to like contain that muscle and paralyze that muscle enough to like last, I guess I should say. So hence why I'm in here like every 6 to 8 weeks getting my Dysport. And what I'll do is I'll alternate Dysport and Botox. Like one time I'll come in, get Dysport, the next time get Botox, alternate just to see if that would help. Still kind of wearing off. If I had a choice, I'd probably stick more with Dysport. Just because I guess, you know, it's my choice. I know a lot of people like either one. And it didn't even matter, this new product, even if it didn't take place right away, that's fine. If it lasted longer, that's what I'm looking for, is the effect to last a little bit longer. But bonus that it takes place faster, so good bonus.
If you would like to come in and try out Jeuveau, you can book on Juvly.com. Go under booking appointments. Feel free to book with me. My name's Amber, and you can just book an appointment to do wrinkle relaxers.